We've heard a lot about how do I sell in this new socially distanced environment. And I kind of want to get rid of the COVID because we're now moving on, right? So we still have the COVID restrictions, but now let's call it the socially distanced environment. So that's really what we're going to talk about today. Wayne, I'm going to start with you at the first question. What have you seen change specifically in the sales environment now that we're in this social distance world?
You know, there's the obvious stuff. There's the face-to-face appointments are down. Some of the industries have been decimated: hospitality, restaurant, event. If you're selling into those markets, obviously it's extremely challenging because the faucet not only has been turned down a little bit, in some cases it's been turned off. The thing that I think is so important is the sales management side of it. We've got to carry on. And the sales manager is the most important position in a company. And if it's a small company, somebody has to own it. So we help our reps focus on some of the vertical markets that are still active that we can serve. We help them assemble a list of those vertical markets. We help them do research and understand what are they experiencing right now? How are they trying to grow? What problems can we help them with? What opportunities could they seize in this moment? You know, I mean, this is a time of great challenge. And along with that comes an open door of massive opportunity. So we've got to put our creative thinking hats on and look at how we can help certain markets and understand the issues and the challenges. And then the other thing, that I'll wrap this up with is we're all becoming masters of video.